Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Onlyfans app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you've been trying to find the Onlyfans app on your Android or even iOS device and with no avail, and you only get an OFTV, so you can go ahead and download that. So now this is just a video platform featuring original content by OnlyFans creators, but it's not actually the OnlyFans app. So in order to download the app, we need to go back and open up any web browser and then head on over to onlyfans.com. Now, once you're here, I want to click on the three dots. I'm doing this on an Android device. So if you can, if you're on iOS, try and make it a desktop site. So go into settings, scroll down and then click on where it says a desktop site. Now from here, the page will reload. And now what we can do, you should have a little pop-up button that will say install OnlyFans. So we can go ahead and click on that install button, then click on install again. And now it's going to go ahead and install OnlyFans onto my device. Now if I go back, it's currently installing it. So there should be a application coming up very soon. There it is there, mid-talk. So now that's the only way really you can download and install the OnlyFans app onto your mobile device.